Hi there, students. To pillage, a verb, both transitive and intransitive, and pillage as an uncountable noun. Okay, so to pillage means to steal things using violence, and particularly during a time of war. So after the war in Iraq, a huge amounts of antiquities were pillaged from Baghdad museums. Okay, so to pillage, to rob using violence. The Viking raiders attacked the village and then pillaged the village. Yeah, they stole everything that they could using violence to take anything they want. Yeah, it's a group of people on the rampage, but particularly during a war, to sack. Yeah, to ransack, I guess, as well. The people were starving, and they attacked the warehouse and pillaged it. They stole everything they could, to take everything they could. So this is to pillage, is to steal with violence. And I guess as a noun, pillage, the act of pillaging, or the booty, what you've got. Yeah, I think to loot. Let's see, to loot you can use with civil disobedience as well. Yeah, so there's a riot and the rioters looted the shops. You could say they pillaged the shops, but pillage is more common during war. Yeah, the booty. So after winning a battle, very often in olden times, it was the soldiers' right to pillage or loot everything they could as part of their pay. Okay, so yeah, to plunder, to take by force, but this is particularly stealing during a war. The Nazis pillaged a large number of artworks from Europe. Okay, so to pillage, it's to steal things by force, but particularly valuable things in a state of chaos. Yeah, the pillage is normally the spoils of war, the booty, the things that you can get. Yeah. Let's see. The thieves pillaged everything in the warehouse. Maybe, but I would use looted or stole. To pillage, to steal with violence, but particularly during a time of war. Okay, formality. Yes, this is definitely on the formal side. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it informally, to steal, to rob, or to loot. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, yes, just about. Semi-formal writing, definitely. Formal writing, definitely as well. And then as to origin, well, it definitely comes from the old French word piller, to plunder, to steal. But maybe it comes from Latin, and then there are various ideas from Latin pilo, to remove hair, depilation, to pull out your hairs, from pilus, a hair, or from the Latin word piliare, to take somebody's felt cap. Their cap is something that was a symbol that somebody was a freeman. Okay, so they weren't a slave. So to pillage, to steal with violence during wartime. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pillage.